Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to clear App Store cache on iPhone and iPad. Clearing the App Store cache can help you resolve issues like slow performance, loading errors, or even incorrect recommendations on your iPhone or iPad. Besides, it will also help you refresh the App Store's data, ensuring that it works smoothly and effectively. That said, let's learn how to clear App Store cache on your iPhone and iPad the right way. To do so, you first have to launch the App Store app on your iPhone or iPad. And then you have to ensure that the Today tab is selected at the bottom. After that, you have to tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the user interface. This will open a new menu that displays your account settings, including options to view your purchases, subscriptions, and more. And then you have to scroll down a bit to find personalized recommendations and tap on it. And then you have to tap on clear app usage data. Now a confirmation message will appear on the screen asking if you want to proceed with clearing the data. Now once again you have to tap on clear app usage data to confirm the action. And that's about it. This will clear the App Store's usage data, thereby refreshing the app and potentially solving any performance issues you are experiencing. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily get rid of the App Store cache on your iOS or iPadOS device as and when the need arrives. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll catch you up in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.